Okay, so today I'm unboxing the Apple iPad A16, 128 gigabytes. I really like how they package things. Okay. I ordered the pink. It comes with a little tab here. Lifts right out. Wow. This is really slim. Look how thin that is. Okay, that's the iPad. I love this size. What a great size. These are the instructions. Power plug and wires. Charging. Okay, I also bought, this is not an Apple Stylus pen, but it's like the Apple one. It got the best reviews on Amazon, so I ordered it. This one I think was only like $17. Oh, I was supposed to open it on the other end. Jam Jake, it's called. Okay, so, oh, it already turned on. The light turned on. I like the feel of it. This also comes with extra points and or nibs, whatever they're called, and the wire, the charging wire. We'll try that later. I read that this has a magnet. I want to see if it does have a magnet. Oh my gosh, it does have a magnet. That is so cool. I was going to buy one of those holders, you know, that you just put on the side of your iPad, but there's no need, so that saved money. All right, let's see how I can open this. All right. I tell you, they do package this very nicely. Okay. You're kind of just unpeeling it. It's got like a metallic finish on it, which I didn't realize from the picture. If you can see it, it's like it's got a metal, like a metallic sheen to it. But I painted my nails to match. I like it. It's got to be charged because oh, never mind. It's already charged. Okay, and then I also bought two covers, and I wasn't sure which ones to, oh my gosh, how cute. It said hello first in all the different languages. It's saying hello in all the different languages. Bonjour. So I got this. It's called, let's see which one goes. I forget the name of it, but this is how it would go together. Tell me if you like this. I really like these two colors together. That's the first choice. And then this one I bought, which matches. I tried to match the cover. Let's see if I did a good job matching the cover. Here's the iPad. That's really, really close. I might just keep them both if I really wanted to, because you could just change them out. But I'm sure that's a little frivolous. I probably won't. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the pink. I think it just looks nicer. What do you think? And then what you do is you take out, there's a little gel pack and some styrofoam, and then you just place it in here like this, and it protects the case. And you don't have to get a screen protector because you've got this. It fits really nice, really nicely. I don't know if you could see that. And then you just open it and it's flexible. And what I believe you can also do is, yeah, I'm gonna probably return this one. It's just not as vibrant as this and this. So, but I'm gonna ask my husband when he gets home. But also tell me in the comments what you think. So what you can also do is, I believe you can prop this up like this. Look at this. And now you've got a little stand for your iPad. Hit English. And then you just set it up the way you want it. All right, I'll check back in a bit. Now it's loading all my apps. And it's basically taking my iPhone and putting it onto my iPad, which is very cool. The benefit of having Apple products. Well, you could also do it, it said, with your Android devices. But yeah, they're just loading all the apps on. It was very simple to set this up. It basically set itself up by itself. You know, just you know, it'll prompt you to get your iPhone, to get your Android phone, sync it, and very, very simple.